Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Today I'd like to present you a new application that I built using React Native Firebase, and it also has an admin dashboard. It's an e-commerce mobile application. Let me present you a little bit. What what are the functionalities of the application? Here I can log in. As you've seen previously, there is a welcome screen. So once I log in, I can see my orders, I can see my contact informations, and I can also see my address, and I can also update it. If you return to the home page, there's my product and the categories. Let me add some items to the cart, and I can see my my product details with the reviews. Here is the cart screen where I can update it directly. If I click on checkout, I have two payment methods: credit card and payment on delivery, and we use Swipe to handle credit card payments. So let us enter some informations. I use the test card for this. Okay, let's confirm the payment. Okay, it's good. So here's the functionalities. Here you can see the orders the order I just passed, and I can reorder if I want. Okay, if we come back to I already showed you the cart. I also have a search screen where I can filter my product by categories, the price, and by the reviews of a product. For example, here I can fetch all the product with 5 stars. Here it's for the watches categories, for furniture. Okay, and I can also fetch by using the product name. So that's all for this one, and I can also add a review on the product if I click here. So I added my review on the product. And I can directly add the product to my cart and make an order. And that's all for this application. Let us check next how here is my admin dashboard. I built it using React, and on the dashboard you can see my orders, the users, and the products. I can see the order details, and I can delete an order. Okay, yeah, I just deleted an order. Okay, I can see my orders, I can see my products, and I can add new products here. So okay, use bags category. active. Let me check. Choose an image. Okay. Okay, it's good. The product was added successfully. If I reload my page, I can see the new product that I just added. Here it is. So I can see my product details also. I can add new categories, and I can see okay, here it is. Okay, so I just added my category. Okay, here is my new category. So that's all. I can see my categories details also. I can see the users. This is for the profile page. And I can also log out. Okay, it's returned me to the sign-in page. So that's all. If you want the source code, I'll link in the video description. So here we can see this is the source code. You get all the bundle, the mobile application, the server code, and the admin dashboard source code, all in one bundle. And if you want it, you can check in the link in the description to procure it for yourself. And if you want, you can also I'll try to explain how I did it in the next videos. For today, I'll just explain you. I'll just show you the code structure. I use Yarn workspaces in order for me to handle this project. So as you can see, this is my root folder where I have the package.json, and I have 3 scripts. One for starting the mobile application, one for starting my admin web dashboard, and one for starting the server. I build the server using Node.js and Express. So this is for starting the server. And I also have 2 workspaces, one for my 3 applications. I named it the apps workspace, and one for the common packages I will be using in my project. So as you can see, the app folder, I have my 3 applications: the admin dashboard, the mobile application, and the server application built using Node.js. And I also have the package folder where there is 3 folders: one for all my API calls to Firebase and to the server, and one for managing my application's global states, and another folder for constants and for my application configurations. So in the next videos, I'll enter into more details and show how I built it exactly. So don't forget to subscribe, and so you will not miss it. Thank you.